See, look, everybody, there's a little drill bit in there, going red. Oh, yeah, you were getting in it.
It won't work, Josh. It's breaking up.
I don't have it anymore. Look at that. Glowing red.
Oh, fell into the bottom.
And that's the problem. Gotta put it back in, I think. So that already kind of looks like a little knife. Oh yeah, it's sitting right on the hot coals. That should be good to go. Yep. Immediately put in there.
Leave it in there?
Yep.
You're getting distracted, Josh.
Well, I'm showing, I'm explaining why. It's been like 2 weeks, yeah, so I had the surgery, and yeah. So that's why my nose sounds like that. So we're just finishing up, making it more curved. I was planning to make that the Bowie knife, but the metal didn't flatten out as much as I thought. It just broke, the top part broke off.
Feel that.
Made in the U.S. That you don't see anymore. Or those, or our files there, it says made in Canada. What are you doing, mister? You look like you've been sneaking or something. Oh, I caught that. That was a good... See? That should be pretty shiny. Let me see. Oh, there we go. See, there it is. Yeah, if you look closely, yeah, the edge is looking pretty good. We just cut some grooves in it for a nice little handle. And before that, I put a nice edge on the blade too, so pretty sharp little edge. I'm definitely gonna... What? Yeah, I said that's the edge's point is even sharper now. Oh yeah, see, look at there's the edge I put. Wow, it did. See, look at the edge. That is pretty sharp.
Okay, give it to me.
Yep. Alright, now we're buffing. We'll make it nice, shiny. Yeah. There's Dinky. Dinky, hi. Look at him. He's like, what are you doing? See if the camera will focus on this. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's not perfect, but... Okay. Yep, there it is. What it used to be, now there it is. Here it is, the end result. It's going to be hard to focus on it. I'm going to get out of the way. So there's the knife. The edge on this is really sharp right there. So there it is, made out of an old drill bit. So this is going to be a letter opener. Wow. Yeah, let's see. You're like, oh no, I need the thing. And not as sharp as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, the only sharpest part is the very edge, because the very edge is gonna do a clean cut. There's the cut. So this is the sharp end. See how clean those cuts are? That's how sharp the edge is. So you could see when you angle it like this, you could see the blade at the very front is pretty sharp, and then it angles. Obviously, it's not the cleanest and it's not the cleanest and or the sharpest thing ever, but it's a little knife, little letter opener knife.
Adios, mother.